Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Aubrey and Aliya here. Sorry you can't see our faces because we just can't see our face. So today we're gonna be doing a party ASMR video. So yeah, hope you enjoy this ASMR. Okay, so we're gonna first be playing with this alien thing. Actually, Aliya is gonna be playing with that one over here. And I will be playing with this one over here. Okay, Aliya can play over here. So yeah. Now we're putting it this one. Oh my god, this is. Oh my god. No, we'll poke it. Oh my god, this is so. Focus. Yeah. This is so sad.
Because alright, look.
Alright, oh my god, look at guys. And it has a cute purple starfish charm. Look at that. And Aliya also has a charm. You wanna show them your charm? Look at this little cute alien. Okay, now we can this one.
Properly.
Yeah?
But remember that one that's the show and then her sister is poking this line and then her big sister she poke her slime and then she says, "Hey, get your own."
Wow. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna be putting this back in the container. Fart noises. Huh?
I like to prank my family with
yes,
that.
she does. So we have this blue one. It is new. It is not opened yet. So yeah.
I got it from school.
Yeah, Aliya got it from school. So I will help Aliya open it. And Aliya would be the. I'll put that way. And Aliya, I'll put that way. Okay. Be right back, folks. Actually, no, wait. Oh my god. Okay, I got it open. So Aliya can put the slime, but let me just put it out. Oh my god. I can already tell the slime is
Good.
extra rough. Okay, Aliya, here you can play this slime. I'll be playing with this alien. Yeah. Okay, Aliya, you can play with the slime. Okay, you can play with the slime, Aliya. Come on. Oh. Okay. Play the slime. Aliya, they can't see that yet. This one has a lot of effects.
This one is the color. It looks so nice.
I know. I also like this color. It's like pink, but like a bit peachy.
And look at this one. It looks like a clear color. It looks like an ocean color. Mine look like an ocean color.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna take this charm out.
And it looks glittery.
Okay, it has a little pretty glitters inside. Okay, I'm trying to get the charm on the side over here. You can't see me, folks.
Look at this.
Wow, look at Aliya's finger. Okay.
I got stuck. Here guys, I'm gonna put it back at the slime box. Ew, did you fart it, Aubrey?
No.
Ha No, noisy Joe.
Get ready for some bubble pops.
Beep beep boo boo, beep beep boo boo, beep beep boo boo beep.
This slime isn't really stretchy, although it
Aubrey.
is. Yeah.
Remember the fart sound? They go like that. Boop beep beep boop.
But this slime again isn't really that stretchy, just like these two. Cause like this one is actually the stretchiest out of all these. But store-bought slimes are usually very non-stretchy. So I am not that surprised that it's not the stretchiest. But this is definitely one of the most stretchiest store-bought slimes I have ever played with. And yeah, it's like really soft, and it's great for toddlers to play with. So like it will not stick to anything, and it makes excellent pokes. It is quite clicky when you poke it. Oh my god. Guys, Aliya farted.
No, it's the slime
Okay,
one.
Aliya, you want to take a turn with this? Can I take a turn with that? Wow, this slime already feels a lot harder than this one. This one is like all soft and everything, while this one a bit more putty-like. Oh my god, Aliya, stop farting.
No, I can't. No, I can't stop farting.
How the alien says, no, I cannot. This charm is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna make a bubble. Wow.
Look, it's so funny.
This slime, I also do recommend. It has one of those like the smell. All three of these, it smells like that regular store-bought slime smell, but this slime is really pretty, clear blue. It has pretty glitters and everything.